This is the Kitronik Lesson in a Box Craft and Code pack for the BBC Microbit. Aimed at ages 8 and above, this pack can be used time and time again across multiple year groups and age ranges. Follow our instructions to craft and code a rotating carousel with an operating safety barrier, or construct a functioning model lighthouse with flashing lamp. With 5 projects to choose from, this pack has everything you need to inspire young minds and develop their skills for life. The Craft and Code pack has been designed to be cross-curricular, covering elements of computing, science and design and technology lessons. Each pack includes 5 detailed schemes of work written by teachers for teachers. Every project within the pack is accompanied by lesson plans, presentations and printable worksheets. New to coding and programming? Don't worry, all answers are provided within the teaching resources, which can all be accessed through the included USB drive. In addition, all of the included lesson plans and student project booklets have example code using this software to make running your lessons simple and seamless. Across the 5 inspiring projects, learners will enhance their crafting skills to build a model, then use the included electronic components to bring it to life. Learners will then program the Microbit using our custom-made extension for the free Microsoft MakeCode online software. So, what's in the box? In the durable Grapnels tray, you'll find components for 11 kits in total. This allows for 10 student kits, perfect for collaborative work, and 1 for the teacher to use as a demonstrative model. In total, you will have 11 bulb holders, 1 pack of 25 bulbs, 11 180-degree servos, 11 laser-cut finboard wheels, 6 packs of 10 crocodile clips, 11 motors with crocodile clip leads attached, 11 craft and code boards, and 11 project booklets. Simply add your microbits and you're ready to go. This is the Kitronik Lesson in a Box Craft and Code pack for the BBC Microbit.